Seal the obvious gaps around doors, windows, and penetrations now to cut drafts and lower energy use. Start by targeting the highest leakage points discovered with a blower door test or a simple walkthrough where you feel drafts. Prioritize door bottoms, window sash joints, recessed lighting, and pipe or cable penetrations through walls and floors. Replace old door and window weather stripping with a profile that matches the gap size and material surface. Compressible foam works for irregular gaps, while V-strip or bulb gasketing suits narrow, repeating joints. For caulking, remove failing material, clean and dry the surface, then apply a high-quality silicone or polyurethane exterior caulk in a continuous bead and tool it smooth with a wet finger or caulk tool for full adhesion. Install door sweeps on exterior-facing doors with screws into the jamb or an adjustable threshold so the sweep lightly contacts the threshold without dragging. Maintain your air barrier annually by checking compressible gaskets for compression set, resealing around penetrations after any work, and recaulking cracked joints before the weather extremes hit. When working near painted surfaces, choose a paintable caulk and allow full cure time before painting so the seal survives movement and sun exposure. Common mistakes include using the wrong weather stripping profile so it either fails to seal or damages the door. Fix this by measuring gap widths and selecting a matching product rather than guessing. Another issue is over-caulking without surface preparation, which leads to poor adhesion and early failure. Always cut out old material, clean with a solvent if needed, and ensure substrates are dry before applying new caulk. A third frequent concern is neglecting door thresholds and sweeps, which leaves a persistent bottom leak. Install or adjust a sweep so it contacts the threshold across the full width and revisit annual maintenance to replace worn seals. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share practical tips like weather stripping and caulking techniques. We help contractors find homeowners looking for upgrades while hosting conversations so both sides learn what works for air sealing and durable installations.